Hey, what's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. This is my 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Interceptor. I've been taking there was a silver stripe all the way down it. I'm almost got it all removed, but it's been a couple hours just on this side to get everything off, and I still got a little strip to go right there and a couple little strips, but it was a silver vinyl sticker that went all the way down the side of that, and it's been a real bitch to take off. But anyways, what's cool about this runs on propane and unleaded fuel. So if you just want to run on propane, there's a tank in the back over here, and you just fill it up. The system, this propane system, installed was $5,400. There's the gas tank, so you got the rest of that whole trunk right there. So I'm going to vacuum it out and clean it all up. So anyways, $5,400 just for that propane system when it was installed. Runs and drives great. It's 2011. There's just a little button on the dash that you push when you want to. So I paid right now gas. It's got a brand new cushion back seat. I just paid $3.25 for a gallon of unleaded, and I just paid $2.19 per gallon for propane. So propane is like over $1 less per gallon. Propane also burns cleaner than unleaded, and so it's less wear and tear on your engine. So I still got a little bit more silver to go right here. I'm going to take the rest of that off, and I'm going to have the wheels all painted back to black, because that one wheel needs to be painted, so I might as well just get all the four wheels painted. So all the wheels will be painted, and all the rest of that silver stuff will be removed in the next couple of days for sure. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like us on Facebook. This is a 2011 with 108,000 miles on it that runs on propane. You can get the vehicle, the whole vehicle, for less than the propane system cost by itself. So, because the propane, you look it up for a Crown Vic, $5,400 for the propane system. Get the whole car with the propane system for less than that, and I just paid $2.19 a gallon for propane, and regular unleaded is $3.25 right now. So anyways, unbeatable, most amount of vehicle for least amount of money. Interceptorking.com. You guys have a great day. Bye.